I messed up. We cooked the hatch. The hood flew up, ruined the roof, ruined the windshield. I got some new wrap. I was planning on making a video, rewrapping it, making it look all nice, but now I have to make a video fixing this mess. But first thing I'm gonna do is pull off all the wrap, and we're gonna cut to that now. All right, so we just got all the wrap off. This car looks terrible, but I'm gonna start pulling some panels off. You can see we're gonna take the fenders off. We're gonna take the hood off. We're gonna take the rear hatch off. Both bumpers and the doors are also coming off. And then I gotta cut the roof out, unfortunately. right, here's where we're at with the hatch. You can see I just got the back plastics out on both sides, everything. I still have to take off the hatch, but look at the damage on this roof. This thing is fried. But yeah, you can see even the supports are all disconnected. Definitely messed up. Anyway, I have to drill out all the pinch welds and then start pulling it off. This is probably the worst part about everything. But yeah. All right, we got a pretty massive update on the hatch. The roof is finally off. It took forever. I'm probably not gonna do this again to a different car. Actually, I have to on the CRX, but there's the new roof. There's the old roof. Now I have to grind all the stuff down, make everything flat, line that up, make sure all the bracing is good, and weld it onto the bottom of it. Throw it on, weld it on, sand it down, paint it, all that good stuff. But yeah, huge progress. Right, so there was a huge hole with rust in it right here. So I cut a piece out. You can see I just welded that in. Just a bunch of series of tacks, but I'm gonna go ahead and grind that flush and show you guys what it looks like after that. So this is how that piece I just welded, it turned out after I sanded everything down. You can see it's pretty flush. There's still quite a bit of rust, I'm not gonna lie. There's a bunch of little pinholes and stuff like that, but this is all underneath the roof, so I'm not super worried about it. If it does get worse, I'll revisit, but right now, I have it masked off. I'm going to spray some like rust reforming paint on it. Hopefully that'll stall the process, but yeah. So here's what it looks like after a coat of paint. You can see I put a piece of tape down right here because that's where the roof is going to get welded. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. Right, I got the roof welded on. You can see not the prettiest, but they're just like little tacks because they're all pinch welds. So that's all done. You can see I've been sanding it. I've been sanding for probably 4 or 5 hours so far on this whole thing. I got this side pretty good. I did some body work on that side as well. This side's still pretty much unsanded, so I gotta sand this. I think it turned out pretty good. It's super cool seeing that there's a roof on it now. I just feel so much better. But you can see the seam sealer is drying still a little bit. Pretty sloppy, but it'll get there. But yeah. All right, I just got the entire driver's side of my hatch primed up. You can see all nice and gray. I haven't done the roof yet. I think I'm gonna sand a little bit more. Make sure it's nice and smooth, but it's getting real. I'm excited. Hey guys, so I just laid down a single coat of black just so it doesn't rust. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it now. I gotta pull all this plastic off and everything first, but I think even just black alone, obviously it's not the best on the roof. It's pretty hard to paint with a can, but overall I think it looks pretty good. You can see I missed a little spot on the door jamb. I'll go over that after, but yeah. All right, guys, we might have the biggest update of the video so far. Everything is wrapped. We got a new windshield in yesterday. I actually am missing the bumpers. Those aren't wrapped yet. I have to finish putting the stuff back on the back of the hatch, but yeah, I think I'm pretty much ready. I have a race tomorrow with this bad boy, so I have to make an exhaust and do some finishing touches. You could see I put the fully gutted doors in here. We're gonna see how terrible they are. You can see there's some Lexan right there. Half of the interior is in, not even half, I would say. We got both front seats. The dash stayed in. No headliner, no A-pillar or anything. I'm gonna leave this all out until after tomorrow just because why add more weight if I don't need this stuff for tomorrow? This obviously is a street car. The only reason I'm taking it to the track is because I still haven't got the stuff for my CRX transmission. But yeah, I'm super excited. I think this color looks phenomenal. I think it'll be so funny beating people in like a hot pink car. I think that's gonna be the best part about it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start the exhaust. I might update you through building it. I might just update you when I'm done. I haven't decided yet, but yeah.
All right, so we got another race up in Douglas at 2. We just got the car loaded onto the trailer. It's a tight fit.
Oh yeah, I never showed you guys the exhaust that I finished. Pretty sick, pretty sweet. This is like a utility trailer, but it was free. So yeah, we barely got it to fit on here. Pretty crazy. Like you was just saying, we got to race it to it's like 10:20 right now, something like that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get everything else loaded up, load the slicks and everything like that. But yeah. All right, we are on the way. You can see got another rental truck trailer from my friend's boss. Little cars on the trailer, but we're ready to go. Alright, that's gonna do it for this video. We just got the back bumper wrapped. You can see it came out not the greatest last night. I guess I stretched it too much or something. It's all messed up, but this is an inlay, so I could cut this whole top piece off and just put a new piece just right on the top because we put some knifeless tape down here. But other than that, we got some nice wheels on it now just so they match. I know I showed you guys the exhaust already. Here's a little closer look. I think it looks phenomenal. It really matches everything. But yeah, I'll make another video after the front bumper's wrapped. Eventually I'm gonna get a new hood and everything because I got the hood pins and stuff like that. I'll end up redoing the valve cover, probably paint matching this sticker as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, you should subscribe, like the video as usual. But yeah, thanks for watching.